Welcome back to another yoga video. Today we're going to be doing some yoga poses that everyone can practically try out. If you're a beginner, you're trying to improve your flexibility towards the new year or the end of the year. So these are just a few poses. We're going to be trying 5 to 10 poses depending on how this flow goes. Okay, so if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get right on the mat. First pose I usually would recommend for beginners is to try a downward facing dog. And downward facing dog, you want your legs to be apart and you're stretching your spine. Your shoulders is pulled away from your wrists and you're stretching your mid back. This is a very good pose as it has a way of activating the hand muscles and helping you just stretch your body. It also improves the flexibility and the mobility and even strength of the upper body. So I would recommend downward facing dog for everyone. Stay for 5 minutes. Now we're going to come down. Another pose I'm going to recommend is cat cow. And cat cow is just inhaling and exhaling, okay? So you can go from either inhale from cat and exhale in cow. Inhale in cat, exhale in cat. Or you can either inhale in cow and exhale in cat. So this is a very good one for your spine, your stomach, and your shoulders, your joints. So let's inhale and then exhale. One more time, in and exhale. The next pose I'm going to recommend is seated side stretch. So you can either sit like this or you can lengthen your leg on the mat. Beginners, you can do this. Place your hand and stretch over to one side. This side stretch is very good for your ribs, your shoulders, and the joints on the body. So we can do this and we do this. Side stretches. Level 2s, level 3, medium levels, and intermediate levels / advanced. You can put your leg in lotus pose, drop this hand, and stretch all the way, even deeper. So you go all the way for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side stretch on the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, take a deep breath and exhale. Good. The next pose I'm going to be recommending for us is child's pose. And in child's pose, we're going to try out other poses all joined together. The first one we're starting with is child's pose, where you're opening up your legs and your leg in. So we're going to stay here for 10, 9, 8, breathe, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the child's pose is that pose. Is a heart resting pose, and it has a way of relaxing you and just allowing your body to be in a stretch position. So beginner, this is perfect for you. Like every single person, regardless of your level, you can be able to do this. These poses are for everyone. Good. So the next pose we're going to close up and try is puppy pose. We're going to try puppy pose for beginners. So in puppy pose for beginners, you just want to bring your chest, your chin down. See, the space between your chest and your hand is there. But intermediate and advanced, you want to take your both down and even stretch more in puppy pose. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly. That will stretches your neck, the nape of your neck, your shoulders, and even your back. We're going to go to the next pose now. Catching your breath. And the next pose we're going to do now, we're going to try out variations of lunges. These poses help our hip openers, improve our flexibility and strengthens our leg. So we're going to start out with low lunge. So you can either do this lunge, this slow one, or we can bring the hand down and come into long runner's lunge. All right. So put your knees down and beginners, this is the one you can do. You can stay here for 10 seconds. Intermediate and advanced, you want to move into low lizard by bringing your elbows down. This is a hip opening. But because this video is tailored for people, for everyone, we're going to stay in this variation of the runner's lunge where our knees are on the mat and we are stretching the hip. So let's say we stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Now, the next one we're going to be trying from runner's lunge or from the lunge position is going to be this variation of the half split, also known as Hanumasana. Hanumasana is also known as a monkey pose. So it's a hip stretch, but it focuses on the hamstrings. So we're going to try, because this is for everyone, we're not going to try to go as low as possible. We're going to instead stay up and just keep the body stretched, okay? So stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay? Now we're going to repeat the runner's lunge on the other side into the groin sit for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to come into Hanumasana for 10. Keep your body in a stretch position. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And guys, these exercises are going to help to strengthen your body, and it's also going to help improve your flexibility. This is a very beginner friendly video, so we're not doing anything out of the ordinary. We're going to come lying down, and the next pose we're going to be trying is supine twist. So beginners, I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to drop your right leg on the mat, hug onto your left leg, your left knee, and send that left knee towards the right hand side. You are either allowed to open up your arms like this or support with the right hand and you look away. Now, supine twist is a pose that will help you to decompress, to ring, to squeeze your internal organs. So it means this is a detoxifying, this is a detox kind of pose because it rings and it twists you. That's why it's called supine twist. And so supine twist is good for improving relaxation, getting rid of toxins from the body, but above all, it is also good for stretching, for decompressing the lower back. So see, my hand can either go to my glutes or my waist or stay in the knees. So I'm going to stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, come back to center. Catch your breath. These exercises are only for 10 minutes and we're going to keep the time, I promise. So we're going to take it over here and stretch. The same thing. If you do it so well, you feel a decompressing sound on your lower back. But if you don't hear it, it's okay, but you feel the stretch. It's ringing, it's squeezing, it's twisting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And guys, come to the center. The next exercise I think everybody should learn is happy baby. Because happy baby opens up the hip. So we're going to reach, lifting up our legs and reaching for the soles of our feet. Now, beginners, if that is too hard, you're going to take your leg up and support from here. Beginners, you do this. Intermediate and advanced, you do this. Okay? So if that's too hard for you, beginners, grab onto your shins and pull like you're opening your groin up towards the ceiling. So because this is a beginner-friendly video, we're going to stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, happy baby, 6, 5. What you want to try, you can reach for your toes. You can reach for your toes, or you can reach for the soles of your feet. 3, 2. Now, last one, the second to the last one, I promise, is reclined butterfly, Supta Baddha Konasana. You're going to stay here. This is a resting pose, but it's also a deep, intense hip opener. Beginners, you can support yourself with pillows underneath your knees here, your shins, and your thighs, or you can just press it a bit. But if this is too hard, you open, you close up a little, and then you go back in intervals of 5 or 3 seconds. So let's say I stay here for 1, 2, 3. I can still absorb the pain. I keep going. 4, 5. Beginners, if the pain is too much, you close. Catch your breath, relax the muscles, and go for another 5. All right? 4, 3, 2, 1. Advanced, intermediate, level 3s, you can stay there for as long as you want. Let's say we stay for 10. 9. The more you practice, the more you stay longer. You know your ability to stay longer in the pose and just surrender. Okay? And guys, the last pose that every single one of us should always endeavor to do is Shavasana. And you know, if you follow me on this page, you see, I don't joke with Shavasana. Because Shavasana is that pose. So this is good for our mental awareness, focus, clarity, and relaxation. So we're going to do it one more time so everybody can know as we close this practice. Lower your whole body, sink your lower body into the mat. Your palms are away from your body. Your torso is long. Your thighs are relaxed and open. We're going to take a deep breath in and exhale. You're going to bring your body to a complete state of rest. Shavasana, also known as dead man or corpse pose, is that pose that helps us to get in touch with our mental and physical side, asking it to relax. Why this pose is good? Because it has a way of activating our parasympathetic nervous system, telling you that you're safe, telling you that it is calm, and telling you to let go of stress. We'll be here for 20 seconds. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, turn on your post notification, share, and comment. And let me see what you think about this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.